Hello,
We're live.
we are now live at Usable Live. My name's Johann.
My name is Oliver. Today we're going to look at this Clarity family,
Yeah,
the home automation adventure that we're embarking on.
yeah. With so
You,
much going on at home, it's finally time to just automate some of that stuff.
well ahead of the holiday season.
Oh, that's true.
So you took a look at what we did yesterday, and you have had some things you would like to review.
Yeah. Uh, what I would love to just demonstrate today is because I've started to do this myself at home, so I'd like to just demonstrate how we can do it with Clarity Family. And that is we're revisiting the shopping list that we just touched on yesterday.
Yeah. So now we're in the Clarity family workspace,
Yeah.
and what did we touch upon yesterday? It was shopping list. It was
And
a
to-do
to-do
lists.
list, and we did something about. Yes, was it something else?
No, I think that was basically
It was
mostly what
maybe
we were.
recipes.
Yeah, we were
Food.
demonstrating cooking fragment types and stuff.
Yeah, and we have a couple of 20 tasks there.
Yeah, but today, as you can see there, I've cleaned up the shopping list just
Oh,
so
there
we can
were
start from
20. There were
scratch.
20 items on the shopping list. You
Yeah,
removed that, so that's okay. But did you do anything about the instruction set?
yeah. So I generated an instruction set specifically for adding items to the shopping list.
Yep.
So if we open this one, he will, again, this workspace is public, so you can always hop in and have a look yourself, but it is more or less just a structure of how to, when I say add something to the shopping list, he can use this instruction set to make sure that it uses the correct name, quantity size, and where to store it,
Yep.
and more importantly, what template to use.
And I would like to take one step back here, and because this is a bit mind-blowing, because what we have here is actually the new programming paradigm.
Yeah,
So instead of having a JavaScript code or whatever your language of choice was, you're actually describing things in English
yeah.
or whatever language you would like.
Mm.
And you're actually giving step-by-step instructions for how to process anything that comes in.
Yeah, and in this case, it just so happens to be shopping list items. It could be anything really.
Yep.
And he has some requirements. So we're using tags to define if something has been added to the cart, if you have it or if you need it. And then he decided to just add more category tags as well. So maybe you could ask, do we need any dairy products? And then you can go in and look and
Yep.
see what dairy products are missing.
Yep.
And also stores if you're interested in that. Like he added a bunch of additional things that you can kind of fine tune yourself.
Yep.
But this instruction set uses a template, which I also created beforehand, which is called the cooking recipe no, the shopping list system template.
We're getting ahead of ourselves.
Yeah. Where it again shows what tags to use and how to prioritize these items.
Yep.
And again, these food category tags.
So yesterday we had a bit of we were in a bit of a pickle with regards to the master task list and the master shopping list.
Yeah.
So you found a solution to that.
Yeah, instead of having a master one, you just use the tags so that if the item is needed,
Yep.
he will always specifically search for all tags that are needed instead. That way he doesn't, go through the entire workspace to find anything.
And again, in Usable, we actually only have one primitive, and that is fragments. And
Yeah.
fragments always have tags, whether
Yeah.
we put them in there or not. But they're very useful. So if you go to the top of the document, you can see the tags, I guess.
Yeah. It has some basic ones.
Yeah.
So we can try and look at one of the shopping items that I've already added, which is that we wanted almonds, 1 pack. As you can see at the top, it has a status needed and a priority and then category as well, which is the pantry.
Mm-hmm.
And then he tries to help out with estimated price, but that's because that's just something we put in the template. This is maybe something that you could iteratively approve in the future, so you know how much something costs, so you can
Yeah.
do something with that.
Or you or the agent can you can have an instruction that says when you get the receipt from the
Yeah.
grocery shop, check if the price was what we had expected.
Exactly. So now we can actually automate our lives without just adding more work on top. So I think we should just try and add an item.
Yep.
So today we're using Cursor because he just got this fancy new Composer 1 agent, which is really fast.
Amazingly fast.
And we can say
blazingly fast.
Blazingly fast. Please, just to emphasize, we'll say use the relevant instruction set in the Clarity family workspace, and we'll say add, what do we need? Add cream and dark chocolate to the shopping list. And just imagine if you could do this with just talking to the device instead.
Yep.
So he is searching for the relevant fragments. Let's see, creating shopping list items, cream and dark chocolate. And he seems to have
I can see it already.
Have a look over here. Shopping list.
Yeah, that's 4 items. And
1 bar, cream, 1 container. Heavy cream or whipping cream. So what we can say here as well is, if I were to ask him, let's just create a new agent every time. What is on our shopping list?
So hopefully there are 4 items because all of those 4 are needed.
Yeah. Let's see what he does with
There
this
should be
information.
1 high priority and 3 medium priority.
So let's see if he also organizes that, but that's up to the agent itself.
Yeah,
how he does that.
Composer 1, you can see it's
Oh,
blinking a lot because it's so fast.
it is really fast.
Whoa.
And there it is.
And there you have the high priority and the
Yeah.
medium priority.
So what we could say here is
And total estimated cost even. They know how much money to bring to the store.
nice. So I think what we can also test here is say, we actually family is coming to dinner, so we need 4 packs of milk, and 1 of them should be a red pack of milk. Let's just see what he does with that information. Because the whole idea here is that you can demonstrate how you don't have to sit there and micromanage to-do lists.
That was fast.
We can go over and have a look in usable.
4 packs, 3 yellow packs, and 1 red pack.
Oh, look at that. Right there. Family coming to dinner.
Fantastic.
And I mean, we can take it one step further.
Please do.
Which is, we'll create a new agent and we'll say, use the instruction set in Clarity family. And then we'll tell him to add a lasagna recipe.
Oh, so we're having lasagna.
Yes. And the really interesting thing here is where it's going to shine the most. At first, he's going to look for the cooking recipe instructions and probably the template as well. And from there, he should fill out the entire recipe of what items you need.
Yes.
And if anyone can guess what we're going to do with that information afterwards.
I cannot see anyone in the chat yet guessing, but...
All right. Oh, there we go. Exactly, open the window there. Ugh, go away. All right, fine. He says, all right. He claims to have created a cooking recipe.
Yeah.
Oh, there it is.
Oh.
And that is a lasagna recipe.
Just as we asked.
And what we can do now, which is extra fun,
we can even see how much fat there is in it and protein and stuff.
That's one complicated lasagna.
You go all the way to the bottom. Hey, you can have nutrition information.
Oh, look at that. Approximate. That's very important. So what we can do now is, again, we open a new agent and we say, the reason we open new agents is just to demonstrate that he will be communicating with usable the entire time.
Yeah.
Not using the AI chat.
Yeah.
And we can tell him, we are making a lasagna tonight. Can you add the missing ingredients to our shopping list that we'll see if it just generates a crap ton.
So what were we supposed to have here? The ingredients. Oh my, it's a long list. And it is really a homemade lasagna.
Yeah. I mean, AIs have a tendency to go above and beyond.
Yep.
All right. He's searching what items, adding missing lasagna to the shopping list, creating items for the main ingredients. Oh, he is just creating a bunch of fragments.
Yeah.
Adding an egg and updating the fragment with the required tags. All right.
$21 items so far.
Oh, adding tags to the eggs item, and that should be it. So if we go back to fragments, and there it is. This is our shopping list for the day. So he specifically wanted to use whole milk and not the milk that we wanted.
Yep.
1 large onion.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, some places you can buy them separate, but again, that's something that you could control as you're working.
Yeah,
with
the instructions. And
yeah, like a bag of onions.
can you ask about the shopping list now?
What is on the shopping list? I'm heading out the door now.
And again, this could be collaborative. I could be doing that, but I'm not showing on the screen at the moment.
Yeah.
But so someone at the shop could get like the updated shopping
Yeah,
list.
exactly.
And what often happens when you go shopping with a shopping list is that some items are sold out or not available.
Yeah.
But things like that. Oh, it was so fast. 34.90
Shopping list, all at Safeway. And then he added a bunch of things. Fresh parsley, dried basil. But one thing you can do here as well is say, oh, hang on. We are having guests, so we can expect double the portion of the lasagna. And I mean,
And you didn't even ask
no,
the agent to double like
no.
double everything, but that is done automatically because of the context.
Yeah, because he knows how to make a lasagna and he knows where all the items are and usable.
Yep.
Because I mean, this agent's not even the one that made the lasagna. That created it. He just looked up what is lasagna.
Yeah.
And from there he seems to have updated.
For double lasagna ricotta mixture, need 2 large eggs. Guests coming. In the notes. If you look at the eggs.
Oh, the eggs. There we go.
Yeah.
Look at that. 2 large eggs, but buy 1 dozen. 1 dozen is enough. Yeah, because you never buy an egg. You buy like a pack of eggs. So yeah, I think like, that's basically what we kind of wanted to demonstrate.
Very smooth.
Yeah.
So please tell us about how it's going with your shopping list in Usable, and we'll be very happy to see some instruction sets and ideas for how to optimize this.
And
it's very individual.
And like all the food recipes that you can imagine are the ones that are personalized to your home and not just something you found online.
And of course, you can go beyond shopping list. You can do any system you like. Like you have some programming superpower here in your hands.
It's like programming with English.
Yeah. And with all that knowledge, it's time for you to make something usable.